Advice, subject is armed with a sharp line up the hill.
He is armed? He is armed.
All units, officer needs help. All units, officer needs help. Adam the same James. Officer needs help. Adam the same James. For the team.
Advice, subject is armed with a sharp line up the hill.
He is armed. He is armed.
All units, officer needs help. All units, officer needs help. Adam the same James. Officer needs help. Adam the same James. For the team.
Advice, subject is armed with a sharp line up the hill.
He is armed. He is armed.
All units, officer needs help. All units, officer needs help. Adam the same James. Officer needs help. Adam the same James. For the team. Every team is over.
You good, man?
I'm seeing stars, hold on.
You're good.
Fire department safety Adams in the street. Requesting a unit to over to block eastbound traffic.
You're good. I got you. Adams and Gramercy. Adams and Gramercy.
Okay?
Yeah, we're good.
Somebody okay?
We're good. Stop. Stop. Hey, fuck. Partner, he needs help. Fuck. I'm gonna go the other side. I'm trying to unlock it.
How many units block off? Westbound traffic on Adams and Gramercy. And eastbound traffic.
You okay, man? Hey, you good, man? I'm gonna cut him. I'm gonna cut him out. I'm gonna cut him out. Not right now. We have an RA coming. We're trying. That door's blocked.
Is the seatbelt cut off?
Yeah, it's cut off.
Is there any way you can get the seat back? They need to get him out. He's still breathing. Is his leg stuck?
I can't tell.
Hold him up. Let me see.
Hey,
Hey,
does
buddy.
he have a pulse?
Hello? Hey, buddy.
Hold on, is he breathing? Hold on.
He's breathing.
He's breathing.
You can see
He's
it.
breathing.
You can see it. You see it right here. You just need to try to get this off of him.
Yeah.
Well, his legs might be jammed in. Fuck. We'll keep trying, but FD's on their way. They'll help him get out.
Up. You need to get it off.
The door is jammed.
Hold him up. Hold him up. Hold him up. Can you get my keys and phone off the top of the car for me? Just hold it. What, baby? Just hold on to my keys for me. I got your phone too. Okay, thank you. Hey, baby. Sir?
Yeah, no, he's stuck in there.
Just keep breathing, baby. Just keep breathing.
After you,
Just keep up breathing right
Just
now.
keep breathing.
Do you see any other injuries other than concussion due to
the
any
side,
open wounds?
It looked like he had
It's just
a laceration
the side of his
behind
head.
his ear.
Okay.